Hello and welcome to the 13th square in the granny square blanket. This is the block and offset square. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn, a pair of scissors, and a 5mm crochet hook. To start the square, we will loosely chain 26. For row 1, double crochet in the 4th chain from hook and into the next 2 chains after that. Now, skip the next 2 chains. Place 5 double crochets into 1 chain. Chain 2. Skip the next 3 chains. Then double crochet into the next 4 chains. Repeat down the row. We will skip the next 2 chains, then place 5 double crochets into the next chain. After the 5 double crochets, you will chain 2. After your chains, skip 3 chains. After skipping the 3 chains, double crochet in the last 4 chains. Row 1 is finished. For row 2, we will chain 3 and turn. Now, double crochet into the next 3 double crochets. Place 5 double crochets into the next double crochet. Your next double crochet is past the chain 2. See how I skip that chain? I go into the first double crochet of the fan. As you can see, the blocks are on the right and then your fans are offset from each other. Chain 2. Now skip the next 4 double crochets, which is the rest of the fan, and place 4 double crochets after you skip 4. These 4 double crochets will match up with the 4 from the previous row. Now place 5 double crochets into the next double crochet. Chain 2. Skip the next 4 double crochets, then place 3 double crochets in the last 3 stitches. When you're done with these 3 double crochets, you should have 1 stitch left, and that is the beginning chain. Place 1 double crochet into the top of the beginning chain. Row 2 is finished. To continue this square, repeat row 2. Continue repeating row 2 until your square measures approximately 7 inches. When your square has reached that size, you will complete the edge. To start the edge, you chain 1 and turn. Place 3 single crochets into the corner. After the corner, you will place 25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat these instructions around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets and each side receives 25 evenly spaced single crochets. When you have crocheted around your square, you will need to join. To do this, you will slip stitch into the very first beginning chain 1. Then you will chain 1 and pull up a large loop. Cut the loop and remove your working yarn. After removing the yarn, simply tighten that knot. The square is finished. For this square, the front side is when the beginning tail is on the bottom left corner.